back to the channel. Fly&Ride here. I've got an awesome ride for you today. I am headed to a special meetup point to meet two awesome motovloggers. We're going to meet Bikes, Beers, and Brews, and we're going to meet Bry the Biker. Bry the Biker is a fellow New Jersey motovlogger, so we've been following each other for a while. And then, of course, Ben from Bikes, Beers, and Brews, he went on a pretty awesome road trip based in Boston, I believe, and headed down to the tail of the dragon, and has been making his way back up. And a while ago, he posted on his Instagram that he was going to be in a spot here in New Jersey, and if anybody wanted to come out, to send him a DM. Of course, I did. As a fellow motovlogger, I do everything I can to support other motovloggers, especially ones that are starting out like me. And we connected, and we've been staying in touch throughout his trip. And I am headed to meet him now for the first time, obviously face to face. I've been following his channel and connecting with him via Instagram for a bit. So make sure you go check out those guys. Awesome guys, awesome channels. Bikes, Beers, and Brews, and Bry the Biker, both on Instagram, both on YouTube. Make sure you go check them out for some awesome content. And I'm looking forward to seeing their channels continue to grow. And again, I'm obviously looking forward to meeting them here in a little bit. And look, that's the part that I absolutely love about this community. As a new motovlogger myself, you know, less than 4 or 5 months really doing this seriously, the amount of support, the outreach, just in general, the camaraderie that exists within this community is nothing short of extraordinary. And you know, I've met so many great people already. I'm sure like many of you have. And you know, I jumped on the opportunity to meet both Ben and Bry, given, you know, he's passing by, frankly, relatively near to my place. I'm about 15 minutes away from the meetup place now. So I'm looking forward to meeting it. And then when I get there, I'm going to show you their bikes. We'll do a walk around, and then I'm going to take them around for a quick ride. I don't have a lot of time today, but I'm going to take them for a quick ride, show them some of the spots that I usually like to ride to, and then I think they're going to keep going and ride for a bit longer, and then I think Ben is going to continue to make his way back up north. I'm not sure if later today or at some point today. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. On this channel I focus on motovlogs, ride reviews, cinematic drone footage, flying my DJI MAVIC 2, and of course riding my 2020 Streetlight CVO in sand dune that you see right here. So do me a favor, if you're new to the channel and you're joining me for the first time, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Would love to have you as the channel continues to grow. And also remember to hit that like button. It really does help out the channel. And remember to hit that bell icon, so every time I update new content, you can be reminded and you could check it out. So we're about, I don't know, 4 miles away. Enjoy the ride there. And then once we get there, we'll formally introduce them, at least to my viewers, although many of you may be following them already. Do a walk around of the bikes, and then continue on for a nice ride here locally around the neighborhoods. So enjoy. running nice and crisp. About half a mile from the destination where we're meeting up. Beautiful day in New Jersey. About 85 degrees. A bit of warm and humid today, but all right, we should see a nice view here. This is the Raritan Bay right up here, and you can see the New York City skyline right past us here. I'm not sure if I'm going to see it from the video. Nice. Yeah, that's the city right back there. A little windy. Leonardo Beach. I didn't even know this was here. Check it out. Check it out. Nice. Let's stop here for a second, see if I can show you what this looks like back there. This is Leonardo Beach, Middletown Township. All right, so let me show you this here real quick while we wait for Bri and Ben to get here. This is the amazing thing about just riding a motorcycle. You get to discover new places. I've lived here for over 4 years and I had no idea that we had a beach called Leonardo Beach. Let's go check this out real quick. Unprotected beach. Okay, duly noted. Nice little family hanging out here. So way back there, see that? That's New York City. Pretty cool. There you go, folks. Leonardo Beach, Middletown, New Jersey. All right, hopefully you enjoyed that nice little spot. Cool little hidden beach here. Let's head on back, see if Mr. Bri the biker and Bikes, Beards, and Brews are here. All right, so it looks like they're not here yet. So let me pull in here. All right, we're gonna chill here and wait for them for a little bit. What's up, guys? Ben, and that's Bri. All right, gents. Be safe, man.
See you, man. Good one.
All right, guys. So there you have it. That was Bikes, Beards, and Brews, and Bri the Biker. Awesome catching up with them. Great meeting them. So they're going to stay there for a little bit. I actually had to get back for a prior engagement. But awesome meeting them, and finally we've been following each other's channels. So make sure, again, you go check them out. Bri the Biker, Bikes, Beards, and Brews. That's Ben, both on Instagram as well as on YouTube. Make sure you go check them out. Awesome guys. And again, thanks for coming out to Jersey, and good to connect. Ride safely. Alright everybody, that's going to do it for today's video. Do me a favor, if you like this video and you like this content, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. Also, remember to subscribe. Would love to have you as the channel continues to grow. And also remember to hit that bell icon so you keep reminded of future updates. Thanks for watching.